Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I kind of feel like it's been a while since I've sat in front of the camera and did a video. So I'm back now, and yes, as stated in the title, this is a makeup video because I like my makeup, and I've got some new goodies that I got from Colourpop. So as you can see, it's open because I like things and I just am not patient. So I got this liquid lipstick. Which one is it? I love Sarah Hii. I don't know. I think it's that one. What is it? Yeah, I love Sarah Hii from Colourpop. Look at that color, guys. Oh my gosh. So I haven't tried the makeup out yet, so this is gonna be my first time. But that color be popping. Do you see that against melanin? Yes, honey. Yes. And then I got a new palette. Yes, I got the Perception palette by Shayla plus Colourpop. I feel like I should know who Shayla is, but I don't. But I'm assuming she's a YouTuber or like a beauty guru. So I'm gonna Google that. I'm gonna YouTube that, and I'm gonna find out who she is. But yeah, beautiful box. And I like the fact that this box is black so that it doesn't come out as messy as like my other Colourpop palettes be looking. Because when the boxes be white and they cardboard, you cannot clean that stuff off. So it's just a hot mess. But yeah, so peep them colors. I don't know how well they are looking right now with the sun shining in my life, because we be filming on iPhone, but bruh, like the reason I actually got this palette is because of that blue. Like, I've been wanting a blue because I feel like people be using it and like it looks nice. So yeah, but like this, I feel like my typical colors are like these two sections here, like, yeah. But I am so ready to experiment with all these. I think today what I'm going to try is this color and this color, and their names are Shade and September. So I think we're gonna work with that. I think I will definitely do a video trying out this blue, because I don't do color like that. I be doing gold, brown, pink. Well, pink-ish, yeah. So yeah, we're gonna do some experimenting. Okay, yeah, so I'm not trying to do my makeup with that wig on. Like, I thought maybe shame, let me just do a bit of makeup with the wig on and not look too ratchet, but it's just doing too much, like too much. So it's off, guys, and you get to see me barefaced, which I don't mind at all. Okay, so I'm gonna start with a primer, and as you know, I told you guys that I one time just went around Tyson's Corner in DC and went to like Sephora and asked for a whole bunch of samples because I was not trying to buy a primer for like $50. So what I have here is one of those primers, and this is Benefit Professional. And I did that before I came here because I just knew. I knew, like, if I'm not getting them for free, I'm not buying them, basically. No, I'm kidding. I will one day buy them. Oh, but it's hard, so I don't know if that's because of the flight. But yeah, let's just try this out and see how it goes. Also, guys, I'm still trying to find the perfect place to film at my new place, where I'm staying in Joburg. So this feels hella weird. Like, all my other primers actually feel like lotion, but this one's the first one that feels like it's just literally a layer on top of my face. Like, there's no absorption. Ooh, I guess I'm primed. So I know that always when I first put my pencil, I draw, my eyebrows just be looking real crazy. But guys, please just trust the process, because it always somehow ends up coming out okay. But yeah. You see how I always say, like, with my eyebrows, it's a trial and error. Look how much thicker this one is than this one. Like, now I gotta fix this, and I'm like, how? That's a little bit better. Okay, so I watched the Kylie Vogue makeup Ting, and you know how I was like in love with Rihanna's because she's just like my everything. And so the tip I got from that is like blending in my highlight before I put my foundation in. But the one thing I noticed with that is that my eyebrows don't stay as contained as they do when I don't do that. So I think I'm gonna, you know, go back to doing my old way, but I'm just gonna show you like what she was doing, and it does come out looking really good and makes blending easier with your foundation. But for me, because I have very bushy eyebrows and they just go all over the place, like I need them to be contained. So I will stick to my old ways where I would leave it like this, put my foundation on, be good. But today I'm gonna blend it in, so yeah. Okay, now that I'm done with the blending and I look like a ghost and I look crazy, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Matchmaster 9.0. Okay, now that I've blended it, I know it looks a bit gray here, don't worry. Guys, trust the process. Towards the end, things will be sorted. I'm going to, what do I do now? So, I think I'm beginning to master the kind of contouring look to suit me and my comfort zone. So I'm going to do that now and just show you what I do. I think I'm gonna just start with my eyes first before I do my contouring, because when the makeup falls down, at least when I do my contouring, it just takes that all away. So yeah. Okay, so sometimes when I, do my eyes whilst my foundation's on, it comes off when I'm touching my face. So always when I put the darker color on, I just have to go over like one more time just to make sure the contouring, I don't know, the top of my nose be light, okay? Okay, so the sun is really bright right now. It's making me look really pale, but trust me, it doesn't look this pale right now. So I'm gonna go in with my banana powder, and I figured out, so I don't really bake. Like, I don't leave it to just sit. I just apply it and, I just put it on and it works. But I don't sit like, wait for it to sit on top and then blend it. I just blend straight away basically. And I don't put too much, so that's about as much as I'll put. Is really pale. So I've started to use my, what is the name of this thing? Bronzer as just highlight. And I do like it because it has more of a gold, but I still go back to my Fenty because I be loving Fenty. I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but I like it. Let us fix these eyebrows. Okay, now I'm gonna put the lip color on, which I'm so excited for. Guys, I think I've just discovered my new favorite Colourpop Sorry, hello, who are you? You are me, thank you. What? Guys, this color though, bruh, do you see this? Oh, I'm so excited. Let me just spray the setting spray because I'll be looking ghosty. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for this to dry. I'm going to put my wig on and we're gonna talk about this lipstick, okay? And we're gonna talk about these shades, okay? Yes. Guys, I don't think you understand the level of shook I am right now. Like, this lipstick is popping. This eyeshadow, honey, sorry. Colourpop, let me tell you something. Whoever this girl is, Shayla, honey, I see you. I'm gonna start watching you because I am one happy customer. Guys, I am so happy right now. Like, the color just suits my skin so well. The eyeshadow, like, I love. Oh, I'm so happy. Like, I don't even know what to say. I just feel like it is so beautiful. Like, yes, honey, yes. I'm also kind of sad because I only got one of each. And I know, like, this is gonna be my new makeup look onwards. And yeah, like, please definitely pop a comment down below if you agree, if you think it looks poppin'. Let me know if you've tried this palette out, if you have tried this color. I still am not sure of the name, but I think it is I Love Sarah Hii. I love Sarah Hii. I don't know, but I will figure it out and I'll put it in the title. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did enjoy making it, and I am so happy with the results. I am so happy, and I'm happy I've got, you know, new colors to experiment with, and I will definitely be doing more videos experimenting with this palette. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe, and I will catch you at my next video.